My name is Jovan. I am just a 21-year-old kid from Macedonia who is trying to become the biggest thing in the Balkans. This is a short recap of my journey so far. People can work from home with some of internet and amazing tools. Nowadays everything is possible. You can build your second income stream just with your smartphone. I was able to increase my business over 100% this year. That is why I create a GMB program to help some of you. Just text me and explain to me why you want to build second income stream.